Good morning, good afternoon, whichever it is for you. So, world history, yas, young, awesome historians. We are going to be entering chapter 24, World War II, and just a quick overview and update. So, chapter 24 is 4 sections long, chapter 24.2, 3, 4, and 5. But because what's contained is a lot of information, we are going to have two parts of this war, the European front or theater and the Pacific theater. A theater in wartime is basically the area of conflict or fighting. So Europe is going to be consumed by fighting. It's going to stretch across the Mediterranean Sea south into northern Africa. Of course, Japan is going to attack us at Pearl Harbor, and that's going to create a conflict zone in the Pacific Ocean area. So we've got two different things. Quite frankly, the authors probably should have split this into like the European World War II and the Pacific World War II, but it's one chapter. So because of that, there's a lot going on. And that's going to make my videos longer. So 24.2, for example, is my YouTube channel, and it's 24.2 part 1 and 24.2 part 2. So for the next 2 weeks, we're looking at World War II. And in order for you to maintain your grade, as the screen says right there, you need to choose either the notes or the quiz. That's right. That means you can watch all my videos, and then you can just take the quiz at the end if you want to and still count that to maintain your grade. However, I think it would be worth your time that as you're watching the videos to jot some things down, even if you want to take the quiz. To raise your grade, though, you need to do both things. That means take some notes during the videos and take the quiz. That's in order for you to raise your grade. When you're taking your notes, you should be copying down key bullets that I have on the screen on the PowerPoint that I reference, mostly the boldface print or things I might actually specifically say you should write this down, but something that is important or interesting. But most importantly, if you learned something, if something I said or something I wrote on the screen you didn't know, then you should include that in your notes, okay? All right, you can turn in your notes. You can either take a picture of it with your phone, so you can just take a picture of it, click, and then send it to me, or you can attach it in an email, or you can copy and paste a Word document and send it to me in an email. Many of you did this really well. The quiz for chapter 24, I'm going to post on May 18th. That's in 2 weeks, but I'll tell you when it's due then. So I am going to post chapter 24, section 2, part 1 and part 2 on Thursday, May 7th. And that will stay up for a couple days, and then I'll move on to the next sections in the chapter. Again, I really think it's important that you watch the videos, hear me explain and talk about it, write some notes down as you're listening, and we go from there. All right, cool. Hope this works for you. It's working for me. Be safe, be secure, take care of yourselves, and let me know if anything else you need. Just write me an email. Okay, have a great day, and let's start World War II and learn some more. Okay, have a good day.